Today I'm going to teach you how to merge sections with above in Google Forms. This is particularly useful when you're organizing your form and realize that two separate sections would work better as one, helping you streamline your form's structure without having to recreate everything from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google account credentials if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the forms you want to edit. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here, look for the section labeled Recent Forms. This area displays all the forms you've been working on lately. Click on the form where you want to merge sections. Alternatively, if you're practicing this technique or starting fresh, you can create a new blank form to test this feature out. Now that your form is open, locate the question where you want to add a section break, click on that question to select it, then shift your attention to the right panel. This panel contains various tools for customizing your form. Click on Add Section. This creates a new section starting from that question, effectively separating it from the questions above. Next, click on the second question in your form. Again, navigate to the right panel and click Add Section once more. By doing this, you're creating multiple sections within your form, which gives you the flexibility to organize content into logical groups. This step is essential because you need at least two sections to perform a merge. Here's where the actual merging happens. Navigate to the section you want to merge upward. You'll notice three vertical dots, often called a dotted menu icon, positioned beside the section heading. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Merge with Above. This action combines the selected section with the one directly above it, consolidating your form's structure and removing the unnecessary section break. To ensure everything looks exactly how you want it, click the Preview button located in the upper right corner of the page. This opens your form in a new tab, showing you exactly what respondents will see when they fill it out. Check that the sections have merged properly and that the flow of questions makes sense. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back and adjust. And that's it. You've successfully merged sections in your Google form, making it cleaner and more organized. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.